Today I'm talking about addition. So we use addition every day when we want to see like how many blocks are in the bins. If we have 2 blocks in one and 4 blocks in another, we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also write this out in numbers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We could do this if we were trying to figure out how many fish are in the fish tank. We have 2 blackfish, 3 blackfish plus 3 goldfish. We get 6. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question. So if Bella has 10 marbles and Emma has 2, how many do we have together? Yes.
12.
Good job. You're right. Okay. So there are properties of addition that we should learn so we can understand it a little bit better. The first one is identity. So it's if you're adding any number by 0, it won't change your answer. So Jack has 4 apples and Mark has none. There are only 4 apples altogether. We could do it the same as if Mark had 4 apples and Jack had none. We still get only 4 apples. Now, what if Jack had 4 and Mark had 1? How many would we have? Yes.
5.
You are right. And if it was switched around and Jack had 1 and Mark had 4, how many would there be? Yes.
5.
Good job, guys. All right, so we have another one, and it is called commutative property. And with that one, if I have 5 plus 7, I get 12. What if I have 7 plus 5? Yes.
12.
Yes, good job. So any number can be flipped around and you'll get the same answer. And the last one I'm going to talk about is associative property. And that's if I have 7 plus 3 plus 2, I get 12. And now if I mix up these numbers, 2 plus 7 plus 3, how many do I have? Yes.
12.
Good. So we can write any of these numbers in any order and we get the same number. Alright, so if we want to add bigger numbers together, and they're a little bit tricky for us, I have an easier way that we could do this. Alright, so if I have 25 plus 3, just looking at it, you may not know the answer right away. So you can break it up. 20 plus 5 plus 3. So 20 plus 5 is 25, and then plus 3 would be 28. We can go on to bigger numbers. 28 plus 36. Break it up again. Do 20 plus 30 and get 50. And 8 plus 6 and get 14. And add those together and get, wait, is that right? And get 64. Alright. Okay. So with even bigger numbers, we could do this again. If I did 566 plus 29 9. How could I break that up? Yes.
500 plus 600. 60 plus 6.
And then,
Plus 20
yeah,
plus 9.
good. Okay, so to make this easier, we can bring these two down and get 80. We do 500 plus 80, and then 6 plus 9, which is? Go!
15.
Okay. So then adding these up together would be easier. So, we have a 5 in the ones place, and in the tens place we have a 1 and an 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. And in the hundreds place we have 5. So, we could do that mentally. And that is your lesson on addition. Thank you.